Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall ReShade from any game. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Now, once that's done, go to the URL box and type down reshade.me. Alright, hit on enter. Wait for the website to load and click on download. As you can see here, the release or latest released as per recording is 6.7.2, but yours might be different. Just basically click on download ReShade right here at the top. Save it wherever you want, save, wait for the download process to finish, and once that's done, just click on the installer. Now you can go ahead and close the browser. So if you got this pop-up, well, what you gotta do is just click on more info and click on run anyway. Now in here, as you can see, we have the games listed that supports ReShade. So for example, I have here VR chat, okay? Just click on it and make sure that it is highlighted. Hit on next. So you can go ahead and select Microsoft DirectX 11, 10, 12 right here. Or if not quite sure, you can go ahead and click on this link and look for a section with the title API that will tell you the games, or look for the games rendering API. Okay, so just hit on next. And once you hit on next, it will say update ReShade, update reshaded effects, or uninstall reshaded effects. So click on uninstall, hit on next. It says here successfully uninstalled ReShade. That's basically it. Click on finish. And once that's done, you're good to go. And that is how you uninstall ReShade from any game. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.